Hey, this is Cheryl, and I'm about to show you what I do working from home. You'll actually see the activity I do to work from home. So let's get started. Hi, my name is Cheryl Traxler, and I live on an island in Alaska. I'm right here, and I wanted to talk to you about. I'm going to show you what I actually do working from home, and then I'm excited because once I get this done, I'm going to go out and check out the whales. They're supposed to be here in May to do whale watching, so I'm excited. And I wanted to share this working from home video with you. And we have these beautiful postcards, you can see. Gorgeous postcards that we mail out. And beautiful cards, and what happens is we send out our work from home offer to people, and they get those actually in their hands, which is awesome. And this is actually the best lead generation tool for you to build a business. And I have these stamps, postcard stamps, and I just take one and peel it off, put it on my postcard here. And there's my stamp, see? And I put it over here, and I just put stamps on my postcard. It's simple, easy. Anybody could do it. This is what I'm doing, working from home. So, putting this stamp on the cards. Gorgeous. And we have an incredible team that we work with. You don't work alone. You be part of our team, and you have incredible support and simple thing you can do. Very simple. See, here's my stamps. I'm putting on my beautiful postcards, and once I get these done, I'm headed out. The weather is really warming up. I hope everybody is staying healthy and safe. The weather's really nice out right now, and you know, I do live in Alaska, and we have long winters, but not as long as they do up north. So I'm very thankful. We have weather in the 50s today, and I'm going out and enjoy the bridge. The bridge is my, from one island to the next. I go over a bridge to get to my island, and so that's pretty cool. It's beautiful, so I look forward to doing that. And so this is what I do. I put stamps on postcards to work from home. Beautiful postcards. Look at this. Very pretty, very eye-catchy, very, you know, you get postcards in the mail, right? Probably not as gorgeous as these, though, I have to say. Probably not, but you do get them. I get so many postcards, you know, and that's how we mail our offers. Very simple work, and I invite you to join our team. Check out my link under my video and to get more information so you can be part of what we do and have a side hustle, extra income, or full-time income. It's up to you. I know with what everybody's going through with this COVID-19, it's been very hard for people to be stuck home not earning money. So, you know, it's a good time to start something to create that income flow you can actually earn from anywhere. Of course, I live on a beautiful island, and I'm very happy earning from my island, enjoying all the wonderful wildlife and things I see every day. So I just wanted to give you a sneak peek into what I do to work from home. I've been quarantined at home, but I've been able to do my work, so that is really important. So thanks for watching my video, and check out my link, get more info. Bye from Alaska.